to another Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. This one is for March of 2022, and can we talk about how cute this bag is? Man, when Ipsy and BoxyCharm roll over into one thing and they do away with the Glam Bag Plus to swap in BoxyCharm by Ipsy instead, I am going to miss these bags. Like, for real. Yeah, if you hadn't heard that's gonna be a thing, apparently that's gonna be a thing that they're doing, so I'm not thrilled, but it is what it is, so whatever. I'll save some money, I guess, but anyway, let us dig into what all is in here. So, first things first, this big old chunky box by Contently California. This is their After All Scalp Soothing Care Treatment. So, apparently, I don't know if you use this, like, in the shower or just whenever, but you, like, put it on your scalp and it's supposed to, like, help with hair regrowth, with soothing the scalp and stuff, so I'm like, okay, I'm down to at least try that. It sounds decent, you know? So, got that. We also have another pretty good size. I'm not sure if I'm saying this brand name right. It's like Seal Clean or Soul Clean. It's their probiotics balancing cleanser. It's 3.38 fluid ounces, so again, not a bad size, especially for a cleanser. Probiotics always makes me a little bit iffy, but I guess we'll see how it does. I mean, I haven't had the best of luck with probiotic skincare, but maybe I've just tried shitty products, I don't know. Then we've got, from Gerard Cosmetics, their Longwear Hydromat Liquid Lipstick in the color 1995, which let's see what their idea of 1995 looks like, having lived through that year. Oh yeah, that's actually, alright, okay. Yeah, that was a very hot color that year. Yeah, I can attest, that's pretty legit. Okay. Nice. As a 90s kid, I appreciate that. I should be able to pull off that color too, so okay. Why not? Before anybody asks, why aren't you reading the card? There is no info on the card again, so we're just whipping through these. So from Hanalei, we have their lip treatment in sand, which, let's see, it must be a colored one this time. What color is it? And still can't tell, alright. Let's see, what color is it? Oh, it's thick. I'm squeezing this, like, really hard. It is, like, not coming up. What the hell? Where are you? Hello? I can feel you in there. Why are you not coming up? My god, this is insane. What the hell is wrong with this thing? I'm like, why? Why won't you pop up? Watch it all go squirting out hella hard. There we go. Okay. Alright. I don't actually want it out. It's the worst part. I just wanted to see the color. It looks like that. That is sand, apparently. So, okay, you can go back down now. It's cool. Go back to sliding back down the tube for now. It's cool. That one looks used. Watch me forget that when it comes time to, like, review that one. I'll be like, oh my god, did I get a used one? And then you can point out that, no, stupid, you squeezed it in this Ipsy video, and now it looks like that. Feel free to correct me if I forget. And last thing I have is from R Plus Co. It says Jenny Cho on the side. I don't know who that is. It's their Velvet Curtain Cotton Touch Texture Balm. So I'm assuming this is a hair product because everything else I've seen from this brand has been. Let's double check. Yep, touchable texture. This super dry styler adds soft volume, light hold for all hair types, boasting a modern matte effect. It instantly smooths and envelopes strands for a piecey, effortless second day hair look. Okay, so it is indeed a hair product. So, again, not a bad size. Yeah, that's what we got in this particular Ipsy Glam Bag. That's it! So, Just a quick one because we didn't have the card to read off of. So anyways, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. What are you the most excited to see me review first? Let me know down below, as well as anything about anything. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload, and subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya!